Great day, great day. Trader Rich here. It's a wonderful, awesome August 17th, Wednesday, early grand rising. First off, I want to start off by just reminding you that we have this awesome trading robot. It's called iTech Trading. Trades Forex, and it does it automatically for you. So while you sleep through the night, you making money through the night. There's nothing wrong with that. This is the iTech Trading Robot. If you're interested, please, you can give me a call at 216-584-5544 or thewealthcamp@gmail.com. All right. All right, let's get into today's market review. See what we got going on, what happened yesterday, and where we are possibly headed. So here's a couple things. All right. So we are felling heavy at the 200-day moving average, which is what we talked about. Either we're going to bounce off this thing or we are going down lower. I was hoping that we would pop up above it and then fail and then maybe get a retest and we had this huge update. I don't know if that's going to happen looking at the likes of this, but we still got all day to trade today. But looking at it right now, you can see a failure here. You can see this candle is engulfing this candle. That is called a bearish engulfing candle. Obviously, this day is not over with yet, but this is the futures market. It trades pretty much 24/7. So we will see how it plays itself out today in the U.S. market. But right now, we are showing weakness, and it looks like we are going to bounce lower here. Okay, the robots came in yesterday right at the 200 and started selling immediately. At yesterday afternoon, things started to turn sour. Okay, so we'll see what happens. We go to the S&P. You can see here, there's the touch of the 200, and then you can see the sell-off. That's why you have a little bit of a wick there. Okay, still see strength to the upside. I still see it. I think it's there, but again, when you get to these 200-day moving average, these computers and stuff take over, and a lot of investors buy off the 200 or they sell off the 200. In this case, we definitely got selling that came in yesterday, and we will see if it will continue today or will we turn around and bounce. Okay, I could tell you we still have strength to the upside, so I am being cautious both ways until we get a definite direction. My ideal is for us to break the 200, come back, retest the 200, and let us know if we want to go lower or do we want to bounce higher. Okay, it's going to be interesting. It could take some time. Excuse me. It could take some time to play itself out. Remember, it could also trade sideways along the 200 before it decides which actual direction it wants to go, where you will see some volatility in stocks and you see a lot of up and down action. So that's just something to remember as we go forward this week. Could be a little tough to trade, so be careful. Be careful out here. Stocks are down this morning. The Target came out with bad earnings, which Target already warned that they was gonna have bad earnings, so I don't know what the surprise is. They're down 6-7 points. I don't know why people thought that it was gonna be anything different. They already told you that what it was. I guess it's probably the forward-looking news that has them have people worried. Google, you can see the doji type symbol here is flat. There's a good chance of indecision. There's a good chance that it could reverse. So we are seeing that in the marketplace. Visa continued up yesterday. MasterCard traded sideways. Even though it's a green candle, that is a sideways or inside day. Actually, almost it could be inside day. That could lead to lower prices. Markets are getting pretty hammered here. Let's see, Amazon right at the 200. Look at that, beautiful doji. A lot of indecision at the 200-day moving average. This stock needs to take a little break, but it could continue to do what it do. But it looks like we're going to have some some type of downward action. The E continue this flight up, holding this 200. I want it to be interesting to see if this stock holds. If not, this might be an excellent put play that is setting up to the downside. Goldman Sachs. Look at that one. Same thing. It's holding above the 200, but it is now in a sideways movement. We'll see if that continues. Now, excuse me, man. LMT, Lockheed Martin, have been on a nice run after a beautiful pullback, and now it is starting to fade. MAR, Marriott, look at that breakout. This stock could still go higher, man. Something to keep an eye on if it's going to hold this area. Okay, that's something to definitely pay attention to, because boom, boom. Yeah, this could be a beautiful trade. But if everything breaks down today, this thing is coming with it. All right. Microsoft, right up to the 200. Damn. Having dojis now, which is indecision candles. These are your dojis. So these are some things that we're looking at. I go to the Qs. Didn't get to the 200. We're getting these dojis come in. Strength is still there. I do believe this stuff can still go higher. I am not out of the woods to the upside here. I am not with everybody else that's trying to just go straight short. I want to see it develop. And I do think we're in a process of a decision-making time of which way we want to go from here for a little bit. Whatever the direction it goes, we will take advantage of it. I want to stick with a sideways to then a break up 200, a retest, and then a boom to the upside. That's just a theory. I could see setting up in the market, because unless we get more news that is so negative and so different than what we already got, I can't see the market trying to push back to new lows. I mean, it has to be drastic news. It has to be a worsened scenario than what we already have. So we'll pay attention and look out for that. But right now, I just cannot see the scenario of us going lower at this time. Just based on the market psychology and the news that's out there. Okay. That's all stuff is already built in, but we'll see. Everybody have a wonderful, awesome day. And I will talk to you later. Have a great one. Don't forget to please subscribe, share, like, all that good fun stuff. But please like, if anything. Thank you. Have a great one.